Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove your Rockstar email from your Epic Games account. First, open your browser and go to the Rockstar Games website. On the homepage, look for the support link and click it. This will take you to the Rockstar support page. In the top right corner, you will see a button that says Submit a Request. Click on it. Now, you will need to choose the category. Select Rockstar Account. After that, choose Account Settings. Then click on Linking and Unlinking. Scroll down on the page until you see the option to submit a ticket. Click to open the ticket form. In the description box, write clearly that you want to unlink your Epic Games account from your Rockstar account. Make sure to include your Epic Games ID in the box as well. This helps Rockstar support find your account and process the request faster. Once you have written the message and entered your Epic Games ID, review your request. When everything looks correct, click the Submit Ticket button at the bottom. That is all you need to do. After you submit the ticket, Rockstar support will handle the unlinking process for you. Thanks for watching.